has been second on World Championship 2012. He has won a lot of competitions all over the world. His videos on YouTube are always having millions of views. And this guy is just rocking, right? It's Vadim Oleynik from Ukraine. So Yurmala, make some noise! Iela vingrošanas leģenda jūs priekšā. Ļoti leģendārs atlēs. Jurmal, dodiet trosni! Jurmala atbalstām Vadims Oleyniks Ukraina.
Ain't nothing that could come in between me and my brothers. We all around if it's going down. It's just us, all for one. Yeah, you hearing right? Our business done. We disappear into the night. Came up together, so we all down for the fight. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Family ain't nothing strong as that. And I'll be posted where the strong as that. Brothers by my side, city on my back. Real heroes. That's what the people want. They ain't born, gotta create them. Saying we gone soon as we save them. That's part of the plan. By my side, I'ma keep my brothers. Live or die, man, we need each other.